Welcome back to Python tutorials for complete beginners, from boring people. In the previous videos, we already introduced how Python can be useful in your life, and what a computer program looks like. Now, let's dive into some of the basic syntax in Python. Before that, appreciate your thumbs up to support the channel. Check out one of the most basic examples to get you started. Hello world. Did you remember this line of code we used in the previous video? When we run this code, the words hello world appear on the screen. It's because print is a Python function that writes what we tell it to on the screen. The print function is part of the basic Python syntax. Also, notice how hello world is written between double quotation marks. Wrapping text in quotation marks indicates that the text is considered a string. String is one of the data type in Python. We will dig deeper into string and other data types in the next videos. Now that we've understood our first piece of Python code, I think you're ready for something a bit more challenging than hello world. Up next, we'll dive deeper into some basic building blocks of Python syntax, things like variables, expressions, functions, and conditional blocks. That sounds like a lot to learn. But don't worry, the tips to learn a programming language is to consider it as learning a human spoken language. For example, the best way to learn Spanish is to visit a Spanish-speaking country, immerse yourself in the culture, listen to the people. Then figure out how to arrange the words to form a sentence that another speaker can understand. The same is true for programming. When you immerse yourself in Python programming, you'll learn how to formulate statements of code that the computer can understand. This is called syntax. Again, if at any point you have questions, remember to leave the comments down below. Or join our social learning group to seek support from other learners. The key to getting good at programming is practice, practice and practice. You have to keep working your programming muscles in order to get strong, just like building muscles in the gym. Train hard, train regularly, and you'll be tackling more weighty coding problems in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment if you find this video useful. And subscribe for more future videos.